Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Birthday girl here. Hey, it's time for the birthday girl. One time for the birthday girl. Okay, let me stop being annoying. Okay, it's my birthday. I finally gotten into a better mood. Finally. Well, it's not my birthday. My birthday is actually Sunday, which when you guys watch this, it probably will be past my birthday. Today is Friday, April 5th. My birthday is April 7th. Aries. I've had a rough week, but you know, Hennessy cures all. Shout out to Pure for my Tiffany glasses that I broke out today. Housewarming gift. Shout out to Pure. Anyways, I'm only doing this quick little intro because the last Get Ready With Me, I felt like y'all were acting a little brand new, forgetting that my Get Ready With Me's do not have voice interaction. It's just literally music and me getting ready. Like, I usually do Get Ready With Me's when I'm going to a concert, which you will see right here. It's usually no music, no music. That's how you know I'm lit right now. Anyways, it's usually no music. It's just me doing my whole makeup spiel and getting dressed, showing you guys my start to finish process when I get ready, besides like my shower and stuff, which I've already done. Waxed and shades already. You can slip it. Never mind. I'm getting, all right, focus. I'm a little excited because I'm going to the club tonight, and I'm, you know, I always get usually excited on my birthday. All right, so why are we talking again? Oh, PSA. The rest of this video will not have my voice. I know you guys love to hear it because it's so cute, but the rest of this video will just be a sped through version of me doing my makeup, getting dressed, because usually when I go to concerts or in this occasion, it's my birthday, I want to listen to music, not copyright free music or, you know, the approved music. No, I want to listen to my jams. I want to sip my drink. I don't want to be thinking. So the only reason why I'm filming this birthday edition of my Get Ready With Me is because you guys asked, you know, and you know, I try to compromise with y'all. If y'all want to see me get ready for my birthday, y'all gonna have to do it while I am jamming out without y'all. I'm sorry. It's not my fault YouTube won't allow me to play Nipsey Hussle while I get ready. Sorry. So I'm done talking now. I look super bright because I have like every window open in this room, plus all these lights, but it's gonna get dark by the time I'm finished because I'm gonna be taking my time, you know, dancing, drinking, gotta do my hair or whatnot, tape up my boobs. So yeah, I just thought it necessary to say that to you guys real quick so I don't have to explain myself on Twitter like I did last time. I'm not talking, I'm jamming and getting ready. And I hope you guys enjoy my final birthday look. Cheers, let's do it.